So welcome my dear students. In my previous video I told you to read the chapter on the face of it so that you can actively participate in this activity. So let us begin this activity. I have total 40 MCQs here for you. Let us begin. But as I have earlier also requested, before this activity you will have to be ready with your pen and a paper so that you can write down the question number and the option which you think is right. So just like question number 1 and you think the answer is D, so write question 1 equal to D so that you can check your answers at the end. And let us see how much you are going to get out of 40. Ready? Okay, let us start. Who has written on the face of it? Options are Susan Hill, William Sidney, Salman Rushdie, Chetan Bhagat. Question number 2. What is this play featuring? A. An old man and a small boy meeting in old man's garden. B. Gossip of old man. C. Old man's woes. Woes means pain, suffering. D. Brave acts of a small boy. Question number 3. Who is Mr. Lamb? A. A young man. B. A middle-aged man. C. An old man. And D. None. So almost 40 questions we have to do. I hope these three questions you have already done. And exams are nowadays conducted in the same format. So I decided to give you this type of exercise so that you can do well in the exams. Question number 4. What were Derry and Mr. Lamb victims of? A. Vision impairment. B. Physical impairment. C. War. And D. None. Question number 5. Why did Mr. Lamb help Derry? A. Because both were victims of war. B. Both were sad. C. Both were victims of physical impairment. And D. Because he wanted Derry to change his view of life. Question number 6. Who is Derry? A. Derek, a boy of 14 and has acid burnt on his face. B. A small boy. C. A boy. D. A young boy. Question number 7. What unites Mr. Lamb and Derry? A. Their age. B. Their woes. C. Their life stories. D. Their physical impairment. Question number 8. How does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy? A. By reading books. B. By chatting with people. C. By pulling down the ripe crab apples of his garden. D. All these. Question number 9. Why did Derry go to Mr. Lamb's garden? A. To steal apples. B. To speak to Mr. Lamb. C. To help the old man. And D. To feel that place. Question number 10. How did Derry enter the garden? A. From the front gate. B. From the side gate. C. From back gate. D. By climbing the garden wall. Question number 11. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? A. To keep an eye over his garden. B. To be safe. C. To chat with the people and the children who come there to take fruit. D. None. Question number 12. Why did children call Mr. Lamb Lamey Lamb? A. Because he stopped them from taking apples. B. He spoke rudely. C. They did not like him. D. Because of his broken leg in a bomb explosion. My dear students, I hope you have noted down the answers. We have done up to now question number 12 we have done. So continue doing the questions. At the end of this I will tell you the answers of the questions. Question number 13. Why did not Mr. Lamb feel hurt by children's comments? A. Because he thought that it suits him. B. He loves children. C. He likes them. And D. He wants them to play in his garden. Question number 14. What does Mr. Lamb grow in his garden? A. Cherry. B. Peach. C. Pomegranate. And D. Apples. Question number 15. How did Mr. Lamb pick apples? A. Bending down. B. With the help of his servant. C. With the help of children. And D. Using a ladder and a stick. Question number 16. How did Mr. Lamb use the apples? A. Made jam. B. Made pickle. C. Earned money. D. He used to make jelly with them. Question number 17. Why did Daddy go to Mr. Lamb at the end? A. Because of his wish to live a free life. B. He wanted apples. C. He wanted to play in the garden. D. None. Question number 18. Why did Daddy's mother stop him to stay with Mr. Lamb? A. Because he was not well. B. Because he would scold him. C. Because he talked too much. And D. Because she did not want him to stay with a stranger. Question number 16. How did Mr. Lamb use the apples? Question number 19. Why did Daddy share his fear with Mr. Lamb? A. Because he had a garden. B. Because he was old. C. Because he understood him and was friendly. And D. None. Question number 20. How did Mr. Lamb help Daddy? A. By giving him apples. B. By talking to him. C. By helping his mother. D. By giving him a positive outlook towards life. Question number 21. Why did Mr. Lamb call Daddy blessed? A. Because he was young. B. Because he had a mother. C. Because he had friends. And D. Because except a burned face, he had a perfectly healthy body. Question number 22. Which story did Mr. Lamb narrate to Daddy? A. Cinderella. B. The Snowman. C. The Dwarf Man. D. The Beauty of the Beast. Question number 23. What kind of garden did Mr. Lamb have? A. Cherry. B. Plum. C. Peach. D. Apple garden. Question 24. Where was Mr. Lamb's house? A. On a tree. B. On the road. C. On a street. D. Inside the garden. Question 25. How did Daddy burn his face? A. In a fire. B. With a gas stove. C. Hot water. D. Acid burned his face. Question number 26. Why, even in spite of physical disability, Mr. Lamb did not feel lonely? A. Because he was busy. B. Because he had a garden. C. He had servants. And D. Because he never let himself to be alone and keep himself busy. Question number 27. Why did Mr. Lamb keep the door of his garden open? A. To let the people come in. B. to get fresh air, C. to avoid opening the door again and again, D. to have fine contact with the outer world and enjoy. Question 28. Why did Derry develop an inferiority complex? A. He did not have a big house. B. He did not have much money. C. Because of his burned face. And D. None. Question number 29. Why did Derry like to be alone? A. Because of burned face. B. Because he could not bear with people's comments. C. Because of inferiority complex. And D. All these. Question number 30. How the meeting with Mr. Lamb became a turning point for Derry. A. He encouraged Derry to be friends with everyone and not to be bothered by their comments. B. He taught him to look at everything positively. C. He taught him to admire everything. And D. All these. Question number 31. What did Derry learn from the fairy tale? A. How to look beautiful. B. How to make friends. C. Learn to love and appreciate himself. D. All these. Question number 32. How was Mr. Lamb happy in spite of his disability? Question answer A. Because of his acceptance of it. B. Because he was wise. C. Because he had grown old. D. All these. Question number 33. Why did Derry always find a vacant place to live? A. He liked to be alone. B. Was scared of people. C. Because of inferiority complex as he had a burned face. D. All these. Question number 34. Why was Derry startled entering the garden? A. Because of trees. B. Because of apples. C. Because he expected no one else but seeing Mr. Lamb. D. None. Question number 35. What complex does Derry suffer from? A. Superiority. B. Oedipus. C. Inferiority. D. All these. Question number 36. Why did Mr. Lamb not have curtains in his house? A. It is difficult to wash. B. It is too expensive. C. Because he wanted visitors in his house. And D. None. Question number 37. What did Mr. Lamb tell about himself? A. He had a thin leg. B. Still he was happy. C. He never mind even if children teased him. D. All these. Question number 38. What specific things about Mr. Lamb does Derry notice? A. A man of firm resolution. B. Always remains happy in spite of his deformity. C. Had a positive outlook. D. All these. Question number 39. In what sense was friendship between Lamb and Derry was fruitful? A. He gave him fruit to eat. B. His maturity. C. Both were good companions and Lamb's mature experiences and words helped Derry to have a positive view of life. D. None. Now the last question. What draws Derry towards Lamb? A. His appearance. B. His grief. C. His positive outlook. D. All these. So very patiently you have taken part in this activity and you have noted down your answers. I hope you have written the correct option which you think is right, and now it is time to tell you the right answers. And the right answers are before your eyes, within a second. Are you ready? So ready, steady, go. So these are the answers: 1A, 2A, 3C, 4B, 5D, 6A, 7D, 8D, 9D, 10D, 11C, 12D, 13A, 14D, 15D, 16D, 17A, 18D, 19C, 20D, 21D, 22D, 23D, 24D, 25D, 26D, 27D, 28C, 29D, 30D, 31D, 32D, 33D, 34C, 35C, 36C, 37D, 38D, 39C, and 40C. So I hope you have enjoyed and learned too, and share your scores also on my mobile number. Okay, thank you.